Cogbite, where smart tools meet smart decisions. How do you turn a boring topic into the talk of the day without cheating? I discovered the secret to turning any boring task into crazy content. Instead of telling people what people do, tell them why they do it. Here are my 6 ways to take any topic and put a psychological spotlight on it, with a specific tip on when to use each one. 1. Tip: add what's the hidden story behind. Quick explanation: this is rhetorical curiosity. Humans love narratives and mystery. When you use artificial intelligence to craft the story behind a dry fact, you turn it from information into a story that people need to know the ending to. When to use: when you are presenting a dry statistic, a statistical fact, or a long technical process. AI example: what is the hidden story behind the design of the save button? 42. Tip: use what would an alien anthropologist notice about. Quick explanation: this is a tool for neutralizing cultural bias. It forces you and the AI to see the action through completely foreign eyes, revealing the oddities of what is considered normal. When to use it: when you want to explain a business process that is taken for granted, such as the employee recruitment process or a project completion ceremony. AI example: what would an alien anthropologist notice about the coffee line at the office? 3. Tip: ask what is the conspiracy theory version of. Quick explanation: we're not talking about actual conspiracies, but rather exposing power dynamics. This allows you to connect the dots rhetorically and point out hidden interests or power structures in a creative way. When to use: when you're analyzing rules, policies, or organizational structures that don't make sense or seem inefficient to you. AI example: what's the conspiracy theory version of the need to reply to every email immediately? 4. Tip: try how is a boring thing a survival skill secret. Quick explanation: this is an evolutionary approach. It connects every small skill to a larger, more important survival story. This gives the content immediate relevance to an audience that wants to succeed. When to use: to justify topics that seem too technical or too soft. AI example: how is file organization the secret to survival for modern project managers? 5. Tip: turn it into what would happen if we took a thing to its logical extreme. Quick explanation: this is a method for showing the limits of an idea. By taking it to its logical extreme, you show the reader the inevitable outcome, thereby revealing the real problem or solution inherent in the idea. AI example: what would happen if we took short meetings to their logical extreme? 6. Tip: end with what does this reveal about human nature? Quick explanation: this is the bridge to philosophy and emotion. It is the internal CTA of your content. After analyzing the topic from several angles, you end with a point that speaks directly to what we all have in common: human psychology. When to use: always as an emotional or intellectual ending point. After presenting your practical analysis. AI example: after analyzing the office approval process, what does it reveal about our human need for authority? Which of the 6 prompts would you like me to build on for next time? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Cogbite for more AI insights, and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching another video from the Cogbite channel.